Okay, so my phone keeps shutting down, the camera does. But anyway, part two. Anyway, I'm filling up the trough with the hose to bring that level up. Because like I said, we don't want this to get dry, and it's dry right now. For some reason, when it gets low on water, the water must come in on that side, and it goes over the edge, but there's not enough water to go over this edge. So anyway, so I told Frank he's got to let me know when this thing's low on water. I mean, he's here looking at it every week. Of course, you know, I'm around and I will notice it, but you know, when he notices, he's got to let me know. A little frog got caught in here, rolled up in the thing. Anyway, so we're gonna get that fixed one way or another. We're gonna turn that autofill up. I mean, what's the sense of having an autofill if it can't keep up with the pull? I know it's a big pull. I keep getting that. Well, it's a big pull. Well, they should have known that it's a big pull and it might need a bigger autofill. Or it might need a bigger chlorinator. I don't understand. I talked to him about the chlorine. He said, yes, I can come up every couple days. It's pretty much every couple days. He said, I need to put chlorine in there. He said it's very toxic in there. I mean, I'm used to that. I spray the vineyards, so. But he said, yeah, that little canister we got for the chlorine tablets, it'll melt them in a couple days in the summer. The hotter it gets, the faster they go. So I'm just a little concerned keeping up with that. And he says it's a couple hundred for the couple $100 to put the bigger one in. So I don't know, maybe think about it, and maybe, you know, I'd like to ask Pete why we don't have a bigger one in there. Bigger pull, bigger chlorinator, I would think. But anyway, let me know if I can ask Pete why we don't, or if he has any ideas. Otherwise, in the meantime, I will come check it every 2 days and put chlorine tablets in there. Basically, you have to unscrew that top. Water kind of runs out. You put the tabs in and you screw the top back on. But I guess the gas, that chlorine, is really potent. So he said he doesn't wear a mask, but I think I will. Anyway, enough about that. Trying to keep things watered up here. We got the roses in. By the way, when I'm doing these videos, if all of a sudden it just shuts down, that means the camera failed, and I'll send you a part 2. But so all we did is, you know, measured them, dug our holes. I dug big holes. I dug oversized holes, and we put in some of that compost, that amendment, mixed it with the dirt. We put in some rose food, and that's all we did, is got them in the ground. You can't really see that one too well, but all I wanted to do is get them in the ground, get them watered. I didn't want to mess with them as far as putting stakes in or wires or any of that yet. I think we should wait till they get going a little bit. But anyway, we got them in the ground. I think they're going to be fine. This one didn't have a lot of foliage on it anyway, so it looks a little weak, but I think it's fine.